It's Patrick at Pals. That's a Cadillac crest. If you have a Cadillac, you're going to find this crest somewhere on the Cadillac. It's been around since the 20s. These are great cars. This one has got a North Star engine in it. And the car came in with an oil leak problem coming out of the valve covers. We've repaired the back valve covers by replacing the oil seal on the valve cover. We are in the process of doing the front, and Lester's going to tell us what we ran into because we had a complication.
All right, we got this pulley here that's mounted to the end of the camshaft. It drives the water pump. As you can see right here, there's a bolt broken off into the end of it. We can get the pulley off, but there's supposed to be a threaded hole here that we use a tool to thread into it that pushes it back on. Now we've got to be able to drill that out and re-tap it so we can use our tool to push that pulley back on.
So what you're telling us is at some point in this car's life, an unqualified technician worked on this and actually botched this part for the customer.
Correct.
So now the customer is going to have to incur additional costs because it wasn't fixed right the first time.
Right.
Okay, and so that's so important. All of our technicians at PALS are ASE certified. We all go through training, rigorous training, to update us on a proper way to repair different engines. Also, all of our repairs come with a 3-year or 36,000 mile nationwide warranty. If you have a car that needs help like this one, had an oil leak, bring it to PALS. We'll do it right the first time, and we'll put a warranty on it so that you've got peace of mind nationwide. See you soon.